So recently, cooking has been my form of meditation. From every step of the process of picking out all the organic produce at the local farmer's market, admiring all the vibrant colors of each ingredient, and smelling the aromas while I'm cooking. And I'm so excited to partner with Material Kitchen to share with you my favorite recipe, Zucchini Noodles or Zoodles, as well as Basil Pesto. I'm going to be using the Material Kitchen coated pan, knife, and spatula. So to make zoodles, you'll need 1 large zucchini or 2 to 3 small ones, fresh tomatoes, garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil, and optional toppings of your choice. You could do edible flowers, hemp seeds. And for the basil pesto, you'll need fresh basil, lemon, cloves of garlic, nutritional yeast, hemp seeds, pine nuts, and olive oil. And voila, this is my favorite recipe, Zucchini Noodles or Zoodles. It's vegan, gluten-free, and so simple and easy to make. Thanks so much, Material Kitchen, for partnering on this video.